Hi everyone, this is Marcus Curtis from Marcus Curtis Music, and a few months ago I did a video about the Behringer X32 mixer. Now I have the Behringer X32 producer, but any Behringer mixer will work. So you have the Behringer X32, the Behringer X32 compact, the Behringer rack mount, the Behringer X32 producer, it doesn't matter. The stuff I shared in that video will work with any one of them. Basically what I did is we went to the Behringer site, we downloaded the firmware updates, we did the driver installation, and we did the app, and we interfaced the Behringer mixer in with the computer so we could use the app to control the mixer. And then we got a free DAW software program called Cakewalk, which is absolutely awesome. It's better than some of the other DAWs you pay good money for. Really good DAW platform, and it's free. So we did all this. We hooked everything together and basically built a home recording studio. The problem is that Behringer has remade their site, and now these drivers are close to impossible to find. If you go to Behringer and you type in your model of your hardware, 487 pages of downloads will come up. And they got a lot of stuff to download, and they got a lot of products out there. So what do? How do you find these drivers? I can tell you the best solution is to get them from the Behringer site. You don't want to get them from a third-party place, just for safety reasons and viruses and anything that you can catch, okay? So we need to go to Behringer's website to get the things that we need for our Behringer mixer. Now I found out about this because somebody by the name of Samuel left a comment in the comment section, and he said, "Hey man, I can't find these drivers." I said, "Really? They're just right there." And I went to the website and I said, "You know what? You're right. They're not around anywhere." So I spent a good deal of time navigating the site, figuring out how to get these drivers. And this is just going to be a short video, about maybe a few minutes long, just to show you where to go to get the Behringer stuff that you need to make a home recording studio out of your Behringer X32 producer. So let's get started. Okay, let's begin by opening up the browser. Let's open up Firefox here, and in the search engine we're going to type Behringer, and it's going to be the first thing to come up. So when you hit enter, you'll see that the Behringer category is Music Tribe. That's the link you want. That takes you right to the Behringer website. And then on the top, just go ahead and click on downloads. It used to be support and then downloads. I had to scroll down. Now it's just downloads. And here's our grid. And you'll see we have 486 pages. It's really hard to find anything you need. So in the product group, you just want to select mixing consoles. Once that loads, okay, you have 58 pages. So let's go up, and now we're going to select in this main category, digital mixers. So it's adjusted again. And you come down, and there's 24 pages. So when you come back up again, you'll see subcategories, products, and type. Leave these alone, because if you leave the all setting, you're not going to find the drivers, and that's the problem. You leave that setting and you can't find anything. Okay, so on page 3, as you can see, here is the X32 drivers. So if you have an X32, this is where you're going to find the app and the firmware updates and that kind of stuff. And on page 6, this is where we're going to find the X32 compact, okay? And the cool thing about this is now the legacy drivers are in with the current drivers, so if you want an older version of the firmware or the drivers, you can just find them all grouped in one section, okay? And then page 7 also has compact stuff, X32 compact. And page 8, now you have the X32 rack, okay? And everything you need should be right in here. Then on page 9, you'll still have the rack, but you're starting to get into the producer. And you can get the manuals and stuff too. Now all the manuals are in one location. Used to be you have to hunt for this stuff. And they reorganized it to make things easier to find, but the search engine doesn't work. Okay, here's our X32 producer drivers on page 10. So to get to, like, say you want the X USB Windows driver 4.59 version, that's the most current version, just hit on the blue button and the box will come up, and you just accept the terms and then just hit the download button. And that's really all there is to it. And so now you have access to everything here, and you just come to the Behringer site and get what you need. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching. And I got some cool things coming up, so if you like this video, just subscribe, hit subscribe, and hit like, and I will see you in the next video.